The investigations have therefore conclusively established that all the remains recovered from the mass grave where we are standing this morning actually originated from Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary. And this has been acknowledged by the management and the officials of the said referral hospital. Our investigations so far have uncovered discrepancies between the authorized disposals and the actual remains recovered from the mass grave. A court order issued by Nyamira Law Courts on March 17, 2026, under miscellaneous application number E033 of 2026, explicitly authorized the disposal of only 13 unclaimed bodies. And if I may give you the breakdown, the 13 unclaimed bodies comprised 8 adults, 1 child, and 3 fetuses, along with 1 twin fresh stillbirth. However, the exhumation exercise conducted on March 24, 2026, pursuant to court orders and under the direct supervision of the Office of the Chief Government Pathologist, represented by Dr. Richard Njoroge and Dr. Donna Nyamunga, together with my DCI forensic team, yielded 33 bodies instead of the 13, which comprised of 8 adults and 25 fetuses, plus 6 additional body parts. And these body parts were conclusively identified as amputation specimens, including fragmented tibias, tarsals, and cables. This represents, ladies and gentlemen, a significant and highly suspicious and unauthorized disposal of additional human remains, and thereby raising strong concerns about concealment, concerns about irregularities in mortuary management, and possible criminal conduct in the handling and disposal of the dead bodies. We have footages from the facility that shows that on March 19, 2026, 4 bags were loaded into a white Toyota Land Cruiser, registration number GKA 549L, by Jason Mochara Nyarbi, who is the chief mortician of the referral hospital, under the direct supervision of the facility's public health officer. And this particular vehicle has since been impounded and is under police custody.